Starry night, paint your palette blue and gray. Look at on the summer's day, with eyes that know this and my soul. Shadows on the hills, skids the trees and daffodils. Catch the breeze and a windy chill, in colors of the snowy daily land. Now I understand what you tried to say to me. Then how you suffered for your sanity. Then how you tried to set them free. They would not listen, they did not know how. Perhaps they listen now. Starry, starry night, flaming flowers that bright blaze, swirling clouds and violet haze, reflection benching us of china blue, color changing hue. Morning fields of amber grain, where it phases line in pain, are soothed beneath the artist's loving hand. Now I understand what you tried to say to me. Then how you suffered for your sanity. Then how you tried to set them free. They would not listen, they did not know how. Perhaps they listen now, for they could not love you. But still your love was true. And when no hope was left inside on that starry, starry night, you took your life as lovers up and do. But I could have told you, Vincent, this world was never for one as beautiful as you. Starry, starry night, courtesans in empty halls, frivolous heads of blameless ones, with eyes that watch the world and can forget, like the strangers that we've met. The ragged man in ragged clothes, the silver turn of blood rose, like rusting broken-hearted virgins know. Now I think I know what you tried to say to me. Then how you suffered for your sanity. Then how you tried to set them free. They would not listen, they're not listening still. Perhaps they never will. Thank you very much. Please share, like, and subscribe our YouTube channel. And also I would like to dedicate this song was dedicated to my brother-in-law, sister-in-law, for celebrating their 10th year wedding anniversary. Congratulations to both of you and to the very beautiful daughter, Mary. Thank you very much. Shout out to Eliza, my daughter. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoy it. We are in the Mount Charleston, Las Vegas, Nevada. A beautiful place. Thank you.